The following episode of Dad vs. Daughter is made possible by a contribution from AEG.
Hello and welcome to another special unboxing episode of Dad vs. Daughter. I'm Tim the Dad.
I'm Megan the Daughter.
Today we're going to open up Tiny Towns.
Yes, this is a game from AEG.
Yeah, this is kind of a unique game. It's got different kinds of buildings we're going to be putting out. So let's just open it up and check it out.
Okay.
Okay, so this reminds me of the area in the Wisconsin Dells. It's got that little fountain, and like Del Sol was over here.
Yeah.
And little Bavarian looking.
It kind of reminds me a little bit of Animal Crossing.
Yeah, I don't know anything about Animal Crossing.
I loved Animal Crossing.
There we go. We're going to use resources to construct buildings and build our town.
Well, I feel like that's the point. Is, tiny town.
Yeah.
Builder's town.
Builder's town? All right.
Yeah. Stop it. Sleds don't like me. I've just come to that conclusion.
So,
Welcome.
Big rule book.
Yeah, very easy to read.
Oops.
Looks like lots of pictures, which is always good.
That's very colorful.
It is, yeah. Building construction rules, scoring examples, game end.
When you get to have a round overview and game end, you know it's probably not too complicated
Town
of a
hall
game.
rules and clarifications. That's good to have. And solo variant.
Yep, you can play solo with this. Monument clarifications.
Ooh, this is cool. Big score pad here.
Wow.
That's...
Is that all one?
No, I was like, wait. Yeah, that's still a pretty thick board and looks very clear, easy to read, color-coded.
So it looks like we, let's see, how many we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm-hmm.
So 6 of these.
Player board.
Does this play up to 6?
Yeah.
Oh, darn. I didn't think it played that many.
Yep.
All right, so then we have, look at this, the big long bag of stuff.
Bits. Alright, so I have a deck of cards though that came from that well. So nice and big here, and they're different colors on the back for assuming the different buildings.
Or the different player colors. I mean, you got.
No, they're for different buildings.
Yeah, more than 6. Oh, I see.
Oh yeah, they're different buildings. So.
Gotcha.
Here's the front of them. The cottage. That looks cute. Farm, orchard, greenhouse.
Greenery.
Factory, trading post.
I like the art.
Obelisk.
That obelisk reminds me of the one that's at Jamestown.
Yeah, I love
you know
it.
what I'm talking about?
Kinda, yeah. Shrine of the Elder Tree. Architects Guild. Statue of the Bond Maker. It's a giant frog.
Bond maker. Is that like?
James Bond. It
Yeah, that's
creates
exactly
James
what I was
Bond.
thinking.
Yep. James Bond is really a frog. There you go. The Star
Ooh, that
Loom.
looks cool.
That was cool. Yeah, so there's a couple interesting little houses here. Yep, and that's all that. You've got bits.
I have bits. I have nice big chunky wooden bits. These are buildings.
Those are massive,
I have no idea what kind of buildings that is.
Yeah. It's a building. That's your bank, your factory, your trading post, and your warehouse.
So all the same thing?
Yeah. So that type of like little wooden thing stands for all that.
Okay.
According to the building clarifications.
Ah, right over here.
Yes.
I see that. Okay. So then we have the red ones.
Which is the farm, granary, greenhouse, and
I'm
orchard.
just going to take one out.
Yeah. Those
You
are
see,
really cool looking though.
That does look like a farm.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Little barn.
Little barn in your silo.
Yeah. So it's really cool. So these are your fountains and your millstones, just these little wooden discs.
What is the green?
The green is your feast hall, your inn, your almshouse, and your tavern. Fun places to hang out.
Oh yeah.
The pink one here, those are your monuments. And I don't the white.
Hammer
The
is
what,
probably
hammer?
the first player marker.
Is it Mew Mew?
On that. It does not look like Mew Mew.
Could be what was it, the god of Earth or
9.
whatever?
Starting player is the player who most recently constructed something in real life. Give the player the Master Builder hammer.
Master Builder?
Master Builder.
Is this the Lego movie now?
Well, I do
Master
have
Builder?
an orange building here.
I'm okay with that.
This looks like a
Orange.
church.
Yep, it's your Abbey, Chapel, Cloister, and Temple.
Okay.
And you have the yellow, which that is your bakery, your market, your tailor, and the theater.
The theater. What happened to the theater? Alright, and then we have a bunch of oversized wooden
Cubes.
blocks.
Yep, that's probably for these. Because as we saw here, like the clarifications of what you need.
Let's see exactly what those are according to the rule book. Those are the 5 different resources.
So wood, wheat, brick, glass, and stone.
Yep.
Those are really cool. Those are
So
nice.
these are all nice and wooden
Chunky.
components. The insert looks pretty good, and it looks like everything goes back into there.
Yep, I had a deck of cards out here.
Oh, yeah.
Not shown off yet. So here is the back. They all look the same. But then you have wheat, glass, wood, brick, stone.
Gotcha.
I wonder if these are for one, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Nope, I was gonna say for each player, like keep them as like a well, but nope. Looks like there's 3 of each of those. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So we'll just put all these right back where they
You don't want to
were.
put them in the big baggie again?
Nah, I don't think I need to do
We'll
that.
keep the big baggie though.
Probably, maybe not. Maybe these will go in there.
There was nothing in there.
Well, something needs to go in there.
Okay, you just felt like something should.
I did.
All right, that's fair.
So we're gonna put that right back, and
Cool. There
voila.
you go.
That is Tiny Towns from AEG, and we'll catch you guys next time.
Bye.
If you would like to support us, you can visit patreon.com/dadvdaughter.
Like and follow us on Facebook to stay current on our show schedule, sneak peeks at future shows, and to interact with us.